At least once in your lifetime, you must have thought that which year should give me the most financial growth. I work hard, I do whatever it takes to. But which year should be favorable according to my date of birth, which will give me the most financial growth. In my today's video, I'm going to talk about from driver number 1 to 9 that which year should be most favorable in terms of your financial growth. Welcome to my channel Sankhya Tattva. I'm Momita Banerjee, numerologist and life coach. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you can be notified on my upcoming videos and new contents. And you may share this video with your friends, family, so that they can also be notified or can be benefited from this video. So let's start. How do you calculate which year should be favorable according to your date of birth? Let's say I'll take an example of a date of birth which is 14 July 1997. You write your date of birth on a piece of paper. I'm sure, but that should be your original date of birth. Remember that. Let's start. So 14 July 1997, let's say a random date of birth. In the next line, you have to write only the date and the month, which is 14th July. We are sitting on 2026. So I'll start with 2026. There's no point calculating 2025 because the year has already gone. Had it been your very good year, favorable for you, doesn't matter. The year is already gone. So we'll start from 2026. So replace your original year of birth, which is in this case 1997, replace with 2026. So now the date of birth becomes 14 July 2026. Now I'll do the sum total of the entire digit, which is 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 6. 0 I'll not count, anyways it doesn't have any value. So the total will be 22. Again, I'll make it to a single digit. It will be 2 plus 2, which is 4. So basically, 4 is the personal year for this particular date of birth. Whosoever is born on 14 July 2026, the personal year will be on 4. You calculate your personal year. It could be different. It will be different to different people because your date and month is different, right? So this particular date of birth has a personal year 4. Now the calculation should be the financial growth or any calculation should be drawn according to the driver number. Here in this case, the driver number is 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So I have to understand whether 5 is compatible with the personal year 4 or not. That way I have to decide whether this particular year will be a good financial year or would be good for financial growth or not. There are few driver numbers which is not favorable, like you might get your driver number which will not be favorable in this year or in the coming year. So I'll give you a detail of that. Please note it down so that you can calculate your personal year and can ideate which is your coming year, which will give you the most financial growth, or already you are sitting on that personal year. So let's start with driver number 1. Driver number 1, that means you're born on 1st, 10th, 19th or 28th of the month. Your driver number will be 1. Your peak financial year will be for the personal year 1 itself, then 5, then 6, then 3 plus 4. Please calculate your date of birth the way I have told you. In which personal year you are sitting? Is it any one of this 1, 5, 6, 3, 4? Then it will be good for you. It will give you good financial growth provided you work in the right direction. But remember, if your personal is coming to 8 or will be coming to 8, be very careful. Don't take any important decision on that particular financial year, which is 8, if your driver number 1, because driver number 1 and 8 doesn't go together. 1 and 8, the number doesn't go along good together. So remember that. Don't take any important decision, be it your marriage, be it your job change, be it your business decision, start a new business, anything important, anything auspicious, don't start in that financial year or in that personal year, which is 8 for driver number 1 people. Rest, everything is okay. Now driver number 2. Driver number 2, that means you're born on 2 as in 2nd, then 11th, then 20th and 29th of the month. Your driver number will be 2. Your personal year should be favorable for a financial growth will be 1, then 5, then 6. And avoid all other years to take any financial decisions, any financial important decisions. Also avoid number 8. If you're sitting on if you're sitting on personal year 8, or 8 is coming as your personal year next year, be very careful. Again, like driver number 1, it's an anti with driver number 2. So don't take any important decisions, be it your marriage, be it your relationship, be it your any important business decisions, to preserve it for the next good personal year if you're driver number 2. Next, driver number 3. That means you're born on 3rd, 12th, 21st or 30th of the month. Your driver number will be 3. Your best personal year for financial growth will be 1 itself, then 3, then 5, then 4. If you're sitting in any of these personal years, then will be very good for you. Work very hard and you will get your desired result. But remember, if you're sitting on personal year 6 or coming or approaching personal year 6, be very careful. 3 and 6 doesn't get along together at all. So be very careful and take your decisions accordingly. Now driver number 4. That means you're born on 4th, 13th, 22nd and 31st of the month. Your driver number will be 4, and your best financial year for your best personal year for your financial growth will be 1, 5, 6, 8 and 4 itself. Remember, these are the orders which I'm telling you, the ascending order or the orders which I'm mentioning the personal year. Your possible results will be also accordingly. Next, the driver number is 5. That means you're born on 5th, 14th and 23rd of the month. Your driver number will be 5, and your best personal year for financial growth will be 5, 6, 1. Remember that all other numbers might be good because driver number 5 doesn't have any enmity with any other numbers. But for financial growth, for financial for the money purpose, these are the only 3 years personal year when it will give you very good result. Now driver number 6. That means you're born on 6th, then 15th or 24th of the month. Your driver number will be 6. Your best financial year or the personal year for financial growth will be 5, 6 and 1. Again, remember, if you're sitting on personal year 3 or approaching personal year 3, please avoid that. Avoid to take any important decisions because 6 and 3 doesn't go along together. This particular point I have mentioned while discussing driver number 3 also, because it doesn't go along with 6 and vice versa basically. So preserve all your important decisions to coming and next personal year, next good personal year. Don't take any good decisions in personal year 3. Next, the personal year for the driver number 7 people will be, that means people who are born on 7th, 16th and 25th of the month, they are driver number 7. The best personal year for financial growth will be 1, 5, 6 and 4 and 8. Remember this number of years which is in terms of personal year. Calculate your personal year accordingly and can take decisions. Next, driver number is driver number 8. That means you're born on 8th, 17th and 26th of the month. Your driver number will be 8. Your best personal year for your financial growth will be 5, 6, 4 and 3 also, and 4 also sometimes. So calculate that. Again, bad year will be for driver number 8 will be 2 and 1. Personal year 2 and 1. Remember, if you're sitting on 1 and 2 personal year or coming or approaching personal year 1 and 2, be very careful. Don't take any important decisions and wait for the right time. Last but not the least, driver number 9. That means you're born on 9th, 18th and 27th of the month. Your best personal year for financial upliftment will be 5, 6 and 4 and 8. So these are the years where you can take your financial decisions, or will be favorable for your money aspects. I hope you like my content and this is useful for you. Please apply that in your life and let me know. Also, let me know in comment in past if you have got financial growth or a 2x 3x growth. What was that personal year? And comment me with your driver number, so that everybody else also get to know about it. If you have something in your mind, any content, any uncommon content you want me to make videos on it, please let me know. I'll surely work on that. Or if you have any question around it, do DM us or WhatsApp us in the numbers mentioned below. Till then, take very good care of yourself. See you next week with my next video with new content. Namaste.